Hello students, welcome to your English class. Today we are going to start our third poem, Macavity the Mystery Cat, and it is from the book Honeydew. So let's begin the poem. This poem is written by T.S. Eliot and it's a quite funny poem. The poet has described about a cat whose name is given Macavity. Okay, so first of all you can see the difficult words and their meaning. Defy means challenge, means to challenge or to refuse to obey law, right? Second meaning is bafflement. Bafflement means confusion, when you are confused. Next is fakir. Fakir is a Hindi word which means a saint. Then ginger cat. Ginger cat is called that type of cat whose color is like a ginger, quite brownish. Okay. Then sunken. Sunken means dull. Like we say sunken eyes. Dull or gehri, dhasi hui aankhein. So this is sunken. Then domed. Domed is a word which means shaped like a dome. Dome, you know, arc shaped. Then neglect. Neglect means ignore, not to pay attention. Then find. Find means devil, a corrupt or bad person. Then depravity, it means moral corruption. So these two words are given to the cat Macavity. So students, in the beginning, poet praises or appreciate the quality of Macavity, which is a very exceptional or very different type of cat. And after that, when it tells or when the poet tells about Macavity's activities, then he also gives negative remarks also. Okay. So other words in the poem are Scotland Yard, Flying Squad. So let's begin the poem. In the first stanza, the poem is Macavity's mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. Hidden paw here means the paws of cat which are hidden, which cannot be seen. Okay. Next is for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. Defy means to challenge, not to obey the law. So he is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. Scotland Yard is the headquarters of London Police Force, and that police force is quite baffled because whenever there is some crime or some activity which is against law, then the police searches. The policeman or the team of police is unable to find out the criminal or the person. And whose work is this? It is Macavity's work. Now the next stanza is Macavity, Macavity. There is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. He breaks the law of gravity means the law of gravity means the things are attracted by the gravitational force of earth, and here he breaks the law. In what sense? Means he jumps from downside to upper side. Means his powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. His powers of levitation, his flying quality, which is against the law of gravity. And fakir means saint. They are also surprised because few saints have magical power, so they are also surprised that this Macavity has broken the law of gravity also. Okay. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare, and when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Again, when Macavity is found, he is not. Seek him in the basement. Him is here for Macavity. Basement, underground space. You may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. means if you search him in basement also, again he is not found there. Next stanza is Macavity is a ginger cat. As already it is explained, ginger cat means a cat which is whose color is of ginger. Coat means fur, right? So Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. Macavity is tall also and thin also. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. If means ever you have saw him, then you would know him, because his appearance is his eyes are sunken, means quite dull, or which are not in a normal shape. His brow is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly domed. His brow here means for the eyebrow, is deeply lined. It means they are linings. With thought means he is a thoughtful cat and he thinks too much. And his head is highly domed. Domed, I already told you, it means shaped like a dome. So it is shaped like a dome. And his coat is dusty from neglect. Means he ignores his appearance, or he ignores himself, so his coat is dusty, full of dust. Means his fur, hair coat means fur. His whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers are here cat's whiskers, like mooche. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. His head, he sways means he just move here and there, and when you means with movements like a snake. Like a snake also it moves its head, and when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. And whenever you think that this cat is sleeping, that time Macavity is always alert, means not in a sleeping mode. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. No one is like Macavity, for he is a fine in feline shape. Means it's a cat, or you can say he is a cat, because in this poem the word he is given, which is given to a human being. Then it is a cat in feline shape. It's a devil person or a devil creature which is in a form of cat. A monster of depravity. It's a monster also. Monster means a very giant and negative person, and it is of moral corruption, means morally it is not a good creature. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, you may see him in the road, or you may see him in a folk. And when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. When a crime is discovered means when a crime is discovered, whenever a crime happens, then you will not find Macavity there, although the crime was done by this cat. So this was the poem, students. Once again read the poem, see the hard word, and then we will do book work also. And through PDF file you can do your work. Thank you.